Welcome back to Brain Tech. We are happy to have you back. I want to use this time to thank all those who had subscribed to this channel while watching our previous videos. To those who are yet to subscribe, please subscribe. This will help you to stay updated with our future videos. In this video, I will be giving you some of the top crypto coins that will be launching this year. Some of them have already been launched, so this video will help you to know the rightful coin to mine for the future. Here are the coins. First in my list is Satoshi, OEX. With Satoshi, you can mine freely on their platform. The address to visit is www.btcs.fan. When you visit this portal, you will be able to download their app and start mining free for a very long time, and it will help you to save for the future. The second coin that I want to show you that will launch later this year is Avive Network. To access this platform and to download their app and to start mining for free, visit m.avive.world. As you can see on your screen, you will see the full link to this platform. The next is Atoshi. Atoshi is another coin that will be launched later this year. To access this portal, visit atoshi.org. You can clearly see it on your screen. The next coin, which you had already known how it is faring currently, is the ICE network. If you are yet to join the ICE network, access it via this portal, ice.io. When you visit it, you will be able to download the app and you will start mining all for free. The next is Bondex. Bondex is another coin that will be launched later this year. To access it, here is the URL on your screen to access this coin and to start mining for free. The next and not the least that you should mine is Remint. Remint can only be downloaded via their portal or on Google Play Store. Check your screen, you will see the full link to this coin. I will put the full URL on the comment section or the description section rather of this video for you to register all these coins and start mining them today. Remember how I started, and you have seen where ICE network is currently. This is how we did. I told people in the past to start mining it. Luckily, many people have accumulated up to 50,000 and more, and some 100,000 and more, all thanks to their early startup. Let me show you the list of coins that are launching this year for you to get in touch with. The first is, as I did told you earlier, the first is Satoshi, OEX. The next is Avive Network. The next is Atoshi. The next is ICE, which has already gone far in their development. Soon, the mainnet of the ICE network will be launched. So take advantage of this opportunity to start mining other ICE on this list. The next after ICE network is Bondex. The last but not the least in this list is Remint. as I did said earlier, I will post the links of these coins that will be launched later this year in my description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos like this in the nearest days. Subscribe to this channel if you are yet to subscribe. Comment on this video. Share it to your friends. Check out more videos on this channel, and I'm so sure you will enjoy them. Stay put for our next video.